Firing up another video, and this time I gotta have some motorcycles come by. I'm getting tired of not seeing some bikes. It looks like the birds ain't gonna come around. Jake's wandering around the yard, so much for a bird coming in, eating. I think they all came in. Jake will chase them off. We're looking for some motorcycles. It's only been 3 of them come by since I've been out here. I've been out here for about an hour, hanging out with my Bandit and with my Jake out there in the yard. He's wandering around. He likes to go over that yard over there, and I don't like that when he does that. Pretty hard-headed. That's a sweet Dodge Ram. It's just a single cab beauty. It comes in an older Dodge Ram. Guess what? It runs good, like always. There's a piece of junk Chevy. Another piece of junk Chevy. Piece of junk GMC. Cute little Chrysler 200. More junky Chevys. There's a big Ford truck. Chevys, them are junk, man. More junk. All kinds of junk. I hear a motorcycle, I think. Which way is it coming? This way. Here he comes. Get ready. Here he comes. There he is. Full dresser, Harley Davidson. Or electric glide. I don't know if it's electric glide or street glide. I don't know the difference. They both dressers. Guy don't believe in helmets. I guess he figures if he wipes out, might as well die. My brother wiped out. He had his helmet on. He's still alive. Recovered. He'll be riding again this summer. He's getting back on the saddle and he ain't gonna let it stop him. Yellow car. Looking for something cool. We got one Harley Davidson full dresser in. Look at that Chrysler 300. Ooh, that's sweet. Looks like. See, there's already was a law. This is what this is referencing. It's a contrast between the law of God and the law of the flesh. Ooh, look at that Jeep. That's a sweet Jeep. Oh yeah. Now we get some sweet Mopars coming through. Look at that Jeep Wrangler. 4-door. And there's 2 more. There's a stupid vehicle. It's got the right color though. That gray won't rust fast. Another. Okay. Filming stuff. And another dumb car. Another dumb car. Jake's over there again. Come on, Jake. Come on back. Don't go over there. Come on back. Come on, boy. Come on. He ain't gonna listen. He's gonna keep going wherever he wants to go. He don't care. Guess he's gotta go pee on the fence line. Okay. Oh, another stupid Chevy. I might pack it up and head in for a little bit. It's good enough. My foot's hurting now for being down too long. Gotta get it up in the air. Only got a couple bikes in. That stinks. I wanted more. A couple of sweet Mopars. Bunch of other junk. I'm going in the house, Jake. See you later.